bottoms. Got this blue number Rick Majors lace uplow rise swan thong royal. Oh yeah. And I got a Modus Vivendi original thong silver. The lace you're thinking about is probably not what you might expect from my videos, most videos. I'll try it on. This is a different style lace. So this is a swimsuit. And this, always going in this, it's like almost like a football style, but it's an upfront laced pouch. It's more of a design aspect. Actually, it's doesn't even look functional. That was a bit of a surprise. I guess you got a double pouch here. You can put something here. Car keys, credit card, dollar bills. So that. So it's kind of red, white, and blue. It's got this ridged texture, which is kind of nice, and bulge pouch that doesn't look too extreme. And I got the large. No, I got the medium. Medium. That's right. Medium. I usually just been going by the waist sizes on for the particular brand. There are differences, as you know, if you watch my videos for a while. So, pretty standard tea bag. I like the vibrant design. I'll have to try this. Obviously, YouTube has messed with me lately. They're not liking my try on videos again, so let's see what happens. The string adds a little bit more tightness to the pouch, I guess. Follow my other links, my fan pages to check out